I know you guys saw this souvenir from Subi Fest, but look at this other one I got. You know, just a nice crack splitter. Alright, so today is Monday, aka the day I just got back from Subi Fest. But guess what? The grind doesn't stop, so neither do we, baby. We are going to install the new exhaust already. So you guys know I sold the Genome exhaust because I wanted something louder, right? Well, why not buy the loudest exhaust on the market? I don't know, but it probably is the loudest exhaust on the market, aka the Crawford Gymkhana. If you watched the Subi Fest video, you saw that I picked up the Crawford Gymkhana at Subi Fest. I got one, and Chin's got one. We both want to be louder. I'm on my stock cats, so it's like, if I get pulled over, I kind of don't really care because I'm legal. Stock cats, stock intake, and a really loud exhaust. So we're gonna do that today. I'm tired. Well, I'm not really tired. My ass just hurts from sitting for the last 5 hours, 6 hours. But like I said, grind don't stop, so we don't stop either. Which means we must get the NVIDIA off with the, remember it's custom NVIDIA axle back, stock mid pipe, no resonator. Take that off, throw on the Crawford Gymkhana, and I can't wait to hear how this shit sounds. I don't think it's gonna sound very different. It's just gonna be a lot louder, so you might not pick that up on camera, but it is gonna be fantastic. Okay, I know this clip's a little crooked, but it's because the camera's on my car, and I don't really feel like getting my tripod out because I have no idea where it's at. So let's pull this out the box and look at it. I didn't pull it out the box yet. Ooh! Oh yes, daddy. It's nice and wrapped up. Okay. One pipe. Two pipes. Mid pipe. Other pipe is obviously the axle back portion. The hardware and stuff, of course. You know, I'm kind of thinking, like, I don't know how well this is gonna work. This part was not gonna work for stock downpipe, but I might just use the screen bolts again. I'm pretty sure that'll work. Of course, got a new gasket, Crawford stickers, all the good stuff. I'm ready to throw this thing on. Let me get the stock exhaust off real quick. Anyone that watches this channel knows I'm cracked with the exhaust because of how easy they are. That's the only reason, is because they're easy. 5 minutes later, we have the cat back off already, and we have, hey fam. Damn, I didn't even talk about what you got at Subi Fest. I didn't even talk about what you got at Subi Fest.
I didn't. I don't have light though. That's connected to my negative terminal.
Fam has a box we're about to install right now. Fam came up on something that I want to get in the future. Hopefully soon. Okay, let me put this in the light real quick. Let me take this to the light. God, leather, full-blown leather, and carbon top, carbon bottom. Dude, they didn't have any for blob eyes. I asked them. All they had was 15 plus. WRX and STi.
Yeah, boy.
But dude, I really wanted one of these, and Fam bought one. I got jealous.
Can we give me a deal?
I know. I didn't even say what else you got either.
I know.
Fam has another mod coming soon too.
I'm just trying to see how the fuck he takes those clips
Kitty.
off.
Are you kidding me? Alright, exhaust off though. Gonna throw the Gymkhana on and get back to it. Give me another 5 minutes, BRB. We fucking dead ass broke a sweat doing this because Chin's bolts were crusty. Oh, I'm tired. So we broke 2 bolts, we got the mid pipe off, and then we just slid it off the hangers from the mufflers. Pretty straightforward stuff. Now that we got that off, Chins, you ready to be twins?
Yeah.
We bought the loudest exhaust at Subi Fest, Chins.
Yeah. Secret too, it's not even out yet.
Sheesh. Oh yeah, I didn't even say that. Okay, let me say this now before I forget. So, Crawford told me this, and Chins this, and I didn't believe them at first. They told us that Chins is the first one to have this exhaust, actually, for this platform, because for the 08 to 14 WRX and STi, they don't have anything on their website. Only for the hatches, but for the sedans, this exhaust isn't even on their website yet. So Chins is the first one to have it for the 08 to 14 WRX sedans. You can find it every other year. You can even find it for the 15 to 21 WRX and STi, but you cannot find it for the 08 to 14 WRX and STi sedans. Only for the hatchbacks. But it is coming on the website soon, he said. When did he say? Did he even give us
He didn't give us a date, no, a date or anything like that.
But they sold it first exclusively at Subiefest. Chinsey said it was the first one to buy it. So we are technically the first one to run it in case anyone else is running a prototype or something. I don't know. But it's always nice. Let's throw this puppy on and we will get some sound clips, baby.
Yeah, let's do it.
It is finally time, Chins, for your first cold start. It took forever when we were putting that on because we couldn't find any freaking hardware because Chins has a cob down pipe. Cob down pipe requires spring bolts. Crawford's too thick to run the spring bolts on the flange, so we had to find something. We made it work though. Chins, first cold start.
Ready?
I'm ready. So we wanted to make our cars louder, and that is exactly what we did. Now I feel like I could proudly wear this Crawford hat now that I have the Gymkhana installed, since that's pretty much the only mod I have installed at this point. Oh, hey, Kitty. Kitty wants to say hello to everybody, to all the new subscribers. This is Kitty Cat. I've been getting a lot of subs lately. I think it's from the Subi Fest video, so shout out to everyone that subbed because of the Subi Fest video or just because you found me. Welcome to the channel. Like I said, my audio is usually pretty good, and here is the proof that my audio is usually pretty good. That is pretty much it for this one, as you can tell. We have our Crawfords installed. I ended up installing my stock intake after that video, so I had the SPT on for that one, but now the stock one's back on. And then I also have another power steering leak. I leaked power steering fluid onto my front O2 sensor, and now I got a front O2 sensor check engine light. So I ordered a new sensor. Should be coming in Sunday, and I'll get that installed. Kitty's currently on top of my PC for some reason, so we're gonna close out here. Everyone watching this video, be sure to join the gang and subscribe, because we are always up to something on this channel. That's what I like to say. That's like my slogan, is like, I'm always up to something. Because guess what? We're always up to something on here. Even whether I I'm pretty consistent with the uploads now, but whether I'm consistent or not, I'm always up to something. But we're back on it, baby. You know, we've been consistent lately, and I'm trying to keep it that way. I've been at 2 videos a week, and I'm pretty happy with that. So I've noticed I've been dropping Wednesdays and Saturdays, so I guess I'm gonna Kitty, what are you doing? Shouldn't knock my lamp over. I guess I'm gonna continue that. For now, that's like the current upload schedules, Wednesdays and Saturdays. So Saturday morning, good morning to everyone who has the bell on. If you don't have the bell, hit those bells. Turn that all notifications on so you know when I post. Drop those likes for me and drop those subs, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Tomorrow we start the part out on the person who's parting out their car. So goodbye.